So hello friends, welcome to my channel Aryans Electrical Hub. So this is the part 5 of our Arduino programming series. Today we will learn about text data types. So the first text data type is char. So char is a data type which is used to store a character value. So what are characters? So you can see a chart on your screen. It is called ASCII chart. So you can see the value decimal values and its output. So in this all outputs are there, means like capital letters, small letters, numbers, etc. So now, so how to write char means what is its syntax? So its syntax is char var means variable is equal to val means value, we have to put their value. So its example you can see here in bracket in the colon a. So I have written a. So now I will show you an example. So we will write a code char var is equal to, so we are going to print a on serial monitor. So the decimal value of a is 65. So I will write 65. So we have written a decimal value here. So no need to give quotations, quotes. So now we will end it with colon. So the character stored in this will be a. So I will show you its proof. So I will write here serial. I will print a on the serial monitor now. So serial dot begin in bracket 9600. This is baud rate. I have told all about this in the serial monitor video. I will give you the link in the I button. And here serial dot print in bracket var. So the variable stored in this will be a. So bracket complete and a colon, and on this line also a colon. So now I have connected the Arduino. So now I will upload the code. I will name this as char. Here the spelling is wrong. The S should be capital. So now I will upload. So the code is uploaded. So now I will open the serial monitor and you can see A is print here. Second text data type is string. So string is used to store a character which contains spaces and numbers, which means we can store paragraphs or a sentence in this in double quotes. So its syntax is string dot var is equal to val and the colon. So its example is you can see string var is equal to ABC. I have considered ABC as an example, and then the two quotations and then a colon. So now we will see an example of string. Now we will write the code for example of string. So here I will write string var is equal to, so now I will give double quotation and in that I will write a paragraph. So I will write the first sentence, hi, I am Aryan. So now for the paragraph we have to write on the next line. So I will write /n. So this is the command for writing the new sentence on the next line. So whatever I write after this will be executed on the next line. So I will write here, welcome to AEH Aryans Electrical Hub, then double quotation and then this colon. So then for seeing it on the serial monitor, we will write the same which we have written in the last. So I will write here serial dot begin in bracket 9600 bracket complete and a colon, and on next line serial dot print in bracket var variable. So now I will give one colon here also, and now I will upload the code. I will write here string. So the code is uploaded. Now I will open the serial monitor. So you can see here it is showing hi, I am Aryan and welcome to AEH on the next line. So these were the two text data types. So in the next video we will learn about numeric data types.